Good afternoon everyone. Today we will start our writing work class 6 chapter 1 geography. Okay, and the name of the chapter, the earth in the solar system. Alright students, now take out your copy and ready for writing. Alright, so let's start students. You will write, alright, you will write in your fair copy. Alright students, okay, start now. At first we will write the chapter name and the name of the chapter, the earth, E-A-R-T-H, the earth in the solar system, solar system, okay, the earth in the solar system. It's a chapter 1, okay, chapter 1, the earth in the solar system. So students, as you know, at first we have to write word meaning of the chapter, okay. So at first we will write word meaning of this chapter. So let's start. Word meaning, W-O-R-D, word, M-E-A-N-I-N-G, meaning, word meaning, okay. So first one word is flicker, F-L-I-C-K-E-R, flicker, okay students, F-L-I-C-K-E-R, flicker. Student, flicker means blink or twinkling. That is a झिलमिलाहट या टिमटिमाना. So write B-L-I-N-K, blink or twinkle, T-W-I-N-K-L-E, twinkle. It means झिलमिलाहट या झिलमिलाना. Okay, झिलमिलाहट, झिलमिलाहट या टिमटिमाना. So second meaning, first write second word and the word is fortnight, F-O-R-T-N-I-G-H-T, fortnight. And fortnight means students a period of 14 days. Alright. So write down a period of 14 days. Okay, yeah, you can say 2 weeks, the time of 2 weeks. All right, 2 सप्ताह का समय, 2 weeks. Okay, so इसको हम 2 सप्ताह के समय को अगर हम हिंदी में एक वर्ड में बोलेंगे तो that is called a पखवाड़ा. That is called a पखवाड़ा, यानी a period of 14 days, 2 weeks and a period of 14 days. Okay. Now the third word is, that is celestial bodies, C-E-L-E-S-T-I-A-L, okay, celestial bodies, B-O-D-I-E-S, celestial bodies. And the meaning of celestial bodies, it's a natural object which is located outside of Earth atmosphere, such as moon, the sun, an asteroid, planet or star. ठीक है, तो हम किसे बोलते हैं celestial bodies? खगोलीय पिंड को बोलते हैं. किसको बोलते हैं? खगोलीय पिंड को. ओके, so students write खगोलीय पिंड, a natural object, a natural object which is located outside of Earth's atmosphere, Earth atmosphere, and just such as example, such as the moon, the sun, and asteroids, okay, and asteroids, and asteroids, planet or stars. Okay, or stars. All right, so it means khagoliya pind. Khagoliya pind. Okay, now fourth word is amit. So write down amit, E-M-I-T, amit. Amit means students produce and discharge. Okay, प्रसारित करना. So write down produce and discharge. Produce and discharge. It's a amit. Okay, produce or discharge something, especially gas or radiation. विशेष रूप में amit वर्ड का यूज कहाँ पर होता है? जहाँ पे गैस प्रोड्यूस होती है, गैस डिस्चार्ज होता है, या फिर रेडिएशन डिस्चार्ज होती है. सो राइट something especially gas or radiation. Okay, it's a amit. Amit means प्रसारित करना या विकीर्ण करना. Okay, so write in Hindi meaning प्रसारित करना और विकीर्ण करना. प्रसारित करना और विकीर्ण करना, that is amit. Okay, now next word is constellation. Okay, that is constellation. C-O-N-S-T-E-L-L-A-T-I-O-N. Constellation means nakshatra. Okay, so write various patterns formed by different group of stars. By different groups of stars. It's a taramandal. Constellation is taramandal या nakshatra mandal. Okay, taramandal, या you can say nakshatra mandal. Okay, again I am repeating. Constellation, various patterns formed by different groups of stars, taramandal and nakshatra mandal. Now sixth word, students write down. Sixth word is asteroids. A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D-S. Asteroids. Okay, asteroid is many small planets that go around the sun. Okay, and student, they are also called minor planets. इनको minor planets भी कहा जाता है. In Hindi it's a लघु ग्रह या क्षुद्र ग्रह. Okay, so write down the meaning of asteroid. Many small planets that go around the sun. Okay, and especially student, it is also called a minor planet. So right, they are also called minor planet. नाम से ही क्लियर है, ये माइनर होते हैं यानी बहुत छोटे ग्रह होते हैं. सो राइट, हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ एस्ट्रॉइड लघु ग्रह. ओके, लघु ग्रह या क्षुद्र ग्रह. ओके, लघु ग्रह या क्षुद्र ग्रह. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड number 7. Right, number 7 word It's a fascinate, students. Fascinate. Fascinate. Fascinate means students to attract. Okay, to interest someone a lot. जब हम किसी चीज से बहुत attract होते हैं, that is called a fascinate. All right. So write down. And the meaning of fascinate in Hindi, it's a mohit karna. So write down, students. To attract. To attract. A-T-T-R-A-C-T. To attract. Yeah. To interest someone. To interest. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T. To interest someone a lot. Someone a lot. Okay. To interest someone a lot. It means to interest mohit karna. Okay. To interest mohit karna. So write down Hindi meaning of fascinate. Mohit karna. Mohit karna. So now next word, eighth word is orbit. O-R-B-I-T. Orbit. As you know, orbit is path ya kaksha. Okay. And where a curved part taken by a planet. किसका पथ या रास्ता होता है? That's a orbit, जो कि planet का रास्ता होता है. So write down a curved path. C-U-R-V-E-D. A curved path. A curved path taken by a planet. किसके द्वारा पाथ होता है? प्लैनेट्स का रास्ता होता है, प्लैनेट की कक्षा होती है. बाय अ प्लैनेट और अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट as it moves around another planet. As it moves around another planet. Around another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. P-L-A-N-E-T. Planet. Okay. Just like star, planet and star. And moon, etc. Star, moon, etc. Okay. A curved path taken by a planet or another object as it moves around another planet, star, moon, etc. Alright, students. So in Hindi, ग्रह उपग्रह का परिक्रमा पथ. Okay. ग्रह उपग्रह का. ग्रह या उपग्रह का. ओके. ग्रह या उपग्रह का, सैटेलाइट्स या फिर प्लैनेट का परिक्रमा पथ क्या कहलाता है? ऑर्बिट कहलाता है. परिक्रमा पथ. ओके. नाउ नाइन्थ वर्ड. Number 9. Students write down. The word is meteorites. Okay. So write meteoroids. M-E-T-E-O-R-O-I-D-S. Meteoroids. Meteoroid, students, it's a small body moving in the solar system that would become a meteor if it entered the Earth's atmosphere. Okay. The small piece of rocks which move around the sun. क्या कहलाता है? उल्का पिंड कहलाता है. So now write, students, a small body moving in the solar system. Okay. So write meteoroids, the small pieces of the small pieces. P-I-E-C-E-S. Okay. The small pieces of rocks. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. Which move around the sun. So write which move around the sun. Okay, it's a meteoroid. In Hindi, ulka pind. Ulka pind. Okay, meteoroids, ulka pind. Now number 10. Okay, number 10 is meteor. Okay, so write meteor, meteor. Okay, that is a ulka. Meteoroids is ulka pind and a meteor is ulka, a small piece of rock, etc. in space. When a meteor enters the Earth atmosphere, it makes a light, bright line in the night sky. Okay, so write a small piece of rock, a small piece of rock, a small piece of rock, एक्सेट्रा. रॉक के अलावा भी कोई छोटे छोटे से जो टुकड़े होते हैं इन स्पेस, अंतरिक्ष में, इन स्पेस, व्हेन अ मीटियोर, व्हेन a small piece of rock etc. in space. Okay, and comma, when a meteor or a small piece of rock, meteor, when a meteor enters the Earth's atmosphere. Okay, Earth's atmosphere, it makes a bright line. It makes a bright line in the night sky. हमें रात को ही तो दिखाई देगा ब्राइट लाइन, दोपहर में नहीं दिखाई देगा. ओके, इन द नाइट स्काई. ठीक है, ये क्या कहलाता है? उल्का कहलाता है. तो आकाशीय पिंड जिनके पृथ्वी के वातावरण में प्रवेश करने पर रात्रिकालीन आकाश में प्रकाशमयी रेखा बन जाती है, वो क्या कहलाता है? उल्का कहलाता है. ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड उल्का. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट नंबर 11. नंबर 11, it's a explode. Okay, it's a explode, E-X-P-L-O-D-E, explode. Okay, so write down explode. And explode means, student, to burst with a loud noise. means कि जब कोई चीज धमाके से loud noise के साथ फूटती है, to burst. Okay, so write down to burst, B-U-R-S-T, to burst with a loud noise, with a loud noise. Okay, धमाके से फूटना, धमाके से फूटना, that is a explode, धमाके से फूटना. Now next number 12. Okay, it's a number 12 and the meaning is starry. What is starry? You have to write this meaning, starry. Okay, starry, S-T-A-R-R-Y, starry. Starry means, student, full of stars. So write down full of star. All right, full of stars यानी तारों से भरा हुआ. Okay, so write down in the meaning of starry, तारों भरा. Okay, तारों भरा. All right, तारों भरा. Next meaning word number 13. Okay, it's a galaxy, G-A-L-A-X-Y, galaxy. As you know, student, galaxy means any of the largest system of stars etc. out in outer space. ठीक है, जो भी वाय अंतरिक्ष में तारों का समूह होता है वो क्या कहलाता है? गैलेक्सी कहलाता है. सो राइट डाउन एनी ऑफ the large system, any of the large system of stars, large system of stars. Okay, all right, any of the large system of stars etc. in outer space, that is a galaxy. Any of the large system of star एक्सेट्रा इन आउटर स्पेस इज कॉल्ड गैलेक्सी, यानी वाह्य अंतरिक्ष में तारों का समूह. राइट डाउन. वाह्य अंतरिक्ष में तारों का समूह, दैट इज अ गैलेक्सी. वाह्य अंतरिक्ष में तारों का समूह. Now next word is students, write down number 14. It's a wanderer. Okay, WANDERERS, wanderers यानी घुमक्कर, traveler. Okay, so write down the meaning of wanderer. Traveler, TRAVELLER, traveler. Traveler means students घुमक्कर. Traveler means घुमक्कर. Okay, it's a traveler. Okay students, so it's over for today. So tomorrow I will be back students. Now write in a beautiful handwriting and do your work neat and clean. Okay, so have a nice day students. Stay happy. Bye.